What's up guys, welcome to Team Lewis channel, and today in this short video we are going to download and install best latency optimizer for Valheim. So before starting video, if you are new on this channel then hit subscribe button. First go to Google Chrome and search latency optimizer for download, and after that follow every step as I am showing you in this video. So now latency optimizer is downloaded and installed in your PC, and hope so this will fix your network issues. Just restart your PC after doing all this, and that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.